Morning everyone. Good morning each and everyone, and hope everyone is staying home and preventing each and everything that is happening outside. Sat Shri Akal ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. Good morning everyone. Is my voice audible to everyone? Just give a thumbs up so that I can proceed. Morning Milan. Awesome. Thank you Tanu. Morning Yusuf. So this is a fantastic day for all of us. We have come up again. एक इंटरव्यू के लिए हम आ गए हैं योगेश मॉर्निंग, और बहुत ही फैसिनेटेड इंटरव्यू है ये वाला, बिकॉज ही हैज़ कम डाउन फ्रॉम अ वेरी हाई लेवल. 20 किलो का तकरीबन रिडक्शन है, एंड ही हैज़ डन अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब. मॉर्निंग जयेंद्र, मॉर्निंग तनु, एंड hope everyone who all are actually doing the exercises at home nicely, just give a hi about morning Bhavya, morning Sumit, morning everyone, morning. I am good. Here we come. Morning Venkat is all here with us to proceed with the interview. And just before we start with the interview, let me tell you that June batch early bird is all open. Who all are interested in joining the team should make sure that everyone joins on the June batch with this early bird offer. Agar ye early bird nikal jati hai, then again the fees is going to come up with what the actual fees are. Abhi early bird ki thoda sa reduction hai. Thank you Nitesh. Morning Powerhouse. And this is an early bird offer which we give every month on the first week of month for the next month. This is always Gautam. This is always good morning with Team Uminder. Morning means more plus earning, more plus earning. So we are always in the morning. Oh, thank you so much, Alok Chalwa. That's appreciated, and God bless you for this thing. Appreciated, much appreciated. If you're working out and you're going IG live with us, and that's music for you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajat. And make sure you will get that all information from 9810972683. आप इस फ़ोन नंबर में व्हाट्सअप करिए 9810972683. Angad, if you can write on the number so that people can just approach. Oh, thank you Chetan. Thank you Chetan. We are doing very well. And thank you Vatsal. We will be coming up. आप सभी के लिए एक बहुत अच्छी सी मोटिवेशन लेके आ रहा हूँ. I am training nowadays my mother. एंड आप सभी के लिए एक बहुत ही इंस्पिरेशनल सी एक सीरीज लेके आएंगे. आई स्टार्टेड ट्रेनिंग माई मदर, बट आई एम ट्रेनिंग माई मदर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम विद द बॉडी वेट एक्सरसाइजेज और द होम इक्विप्ड एक्सरसाइज, इनरिस्पेक्टिव के मेरे पास पूरा का पूरा जिम सेटअप है. फिर भी मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि उनको एक्सरसाइजेज जितनी भी होम बेस्ड एक्सरसाइजेज दे सकें, ताकि अब सबको एक पता चले. शी इज 69 years and she will be coming up with good and show you that क्या हो सकता है. Rohan definitely will be coming up with my transformation also. It is on the run, चल रही है, बीच में आ रही है, and we'll just wait for another 1 minute so that everyone can join us and we can start with the interview. आप सभी के पास questions अगर हैं उस interview के लिए तो आप डाल सकते हैं, और आपके पास अगर भी कोई question है तो जरूर डाल सकते हैं. I'll be coming up with one seminar also. एक बहुत बड़ा सा सेमिनार हम लेके आएंगे आप सभी के लिए, जिसमें हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें कवर करेंगे अबाउट ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग, ऑफलाइन ट्रेनिंग, क्या होती है क्या नहीं होती है, उसके बेनिफिट्स क्या होते हैं, उसके ड्रॉबैक्स क्या होते हैं, इसके ड्रॉबैक्स क्या होते हैं, डाइट के मैनिपुलेशंस कैसे की जाती हैं, BMR कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, आप अपना खुद का कैसे करोगे, अगर आप घर में कम स्पेस के साथ हो तो उसके साथ कैसे ट्रेनिंग करोगे. A lot of things will be covered in that seminars, and that is going to be with a PPD, so we'll be using a video conference, and that's going to be वो एक चीज़ है जो उनसी प्राइवेट रहेगी. It is not going to be open live, so only people who are really interested can. फैट लॉस के लिए बेस्ट कार्डियो गौरव जोन सा है, दैट इज अ सिंपल वॉक. यू कैन जस्ट गो फॉर अ वॉक एंड इंक्रीज द स्टेप काउंट, सो दैट्स इज गोइंग टू बी द बेस्ट वन. ऑल्सो आई विल बी स्टार्ट ट्रेनिंग माय, यस डेफिनेटली 6 a.m. What should I eat before? So 6 a.m. Sahil, you can eat anything that is quickly digestible for you to start up the training, because it's no point कि अगर आप एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो और आपके स्टमक में ही रह गया है तो इमीडिएटली या मॉर्निंग में उठते सारी आधा पौना घंटा पहले अगर आप पोटैटो का सेवन कर सकते हैं, या वे प्रोटीन का एक शेक ले सकते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स गुड टू हैव अ प्रोटीन बिफोर यू स्टार्ट विद द वर्कआउट। सो अगर आप वर्कआउट इंटेंस कर रहे हैं मॉर्निंग में विद स्ट्रेंथ, सो इट्स गुड टू हैव अ 45 मिनट्स बिफोर अगर आप वे ले लेते हैं, आलू ले लेते हैं, तो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी, डोंट ट्राई टू टेक एनी सच थिंग दैट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू डाइजेस्ट इन द बॉडी। करने के बॉडी वीक हो रही है, बताओ ना। यस, हर पुनीत, दैट्स व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू टेल यू इन दैट सेमिनार। वी आर गोइंग टू टेल यू कि एक हफ्ते के अंदर जिम बंद होने के एक हफ्ते के अंदर आप जैसी एक्सरसाइज छोड़ते हो, वैसे ही आपकी बॉडी जो सी है डी जनरेट में होनी शुरू हो जाती है, नीचे जानी शुरू हो जाती है, और बॉडी का इम्यून सिस्टम वीक होना शुरू हो जाता है। वी विल कम आउट विद दैट ऑल्सो। माई फादर टू हैज स्टार्टेड चेंज लाइफ स्टाइल एंड ऑलरेडी सीइंग इम्प्रूवमेंट। वेरी गुड मिलन, दैट इज फैंटास्टिक, वेरी गुड। यस गौरव, स्किपिंग रोप इज अ गुड कार्डियो, बट रिस्पेक्टिव अगर आपका नी अच्छा है, अगर आपको नी में इशू है तो डोंट डू द स्किपिंग, बिकॉज स्किपिंग पुट्स अ लिटिल प्रेशर ऑन द नी। अगर आप बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट सा जंप करेंगे और रोप का खाली प्रिटेंशन करेंगे, रोप करेंगे नहीं, स्किपिंग करेंगे नहीं, जस्ट स्किपिंग रोप की प्रिटेंशन करेंगे और खाली हल्का सा सॉफ्ट रखेंगे, तब भी चलेगा। सो वो एक्सरसाइजेस का बताओ होम वाली एक्सरसाइजेज। राहुल, जो सी होम वर्कआउट का सीरीज है, दैट इज बेसिकली दैट इज हिडन, सो आपको टीम में आना पड़ेगा उसके लिए। दैट इज ओके चेतना, इफ यू आर डूइंग योगा 5 o'clock, दैट्स फैंटास्टिक, कीप ऑन डूइंग इट, वेरी इंप्रेसिव। Going on calories deficit during lockout time is yes, it is advisable, quite advisable, because your overall Shreya, your overall intensity has come down, overall पूरे डे का एक्टिविटी नीचे चला गया है, नीट लेवल नीचे चला गया, तो इसलिए ऑफ कोर्स कैलोरीज उसी हिसाब से आपको नीचे लेके आनी पड़ेगी। Deficit or surplus is all dependent upon what actually you are doing and how much is the body utilizing. You will get that Ashutosh, we will send you that form that we have to fill for the Zoom session. Come with one more workout. Definitely Alok, we will come out with one more session. I don't know about Vince Goronda, but 36 eggs is, we just calculate the 36 eggs in a form of a protein or a fat inside it. So 36 eggs के अगर total पूरे eggs 36 eggs लोगे तो उसका तकरीबन 100 and you will reach a protein quantity which is going to be somewhere around, I don't know, calculate 36 into 7 करेंगे तो आपको प्रोटीन की क्वांटिटी मिलेगी, बट 36 into 5 करेंगे तो आपका फैट की क्वांटिटी भी मिल जाएगी उसमें। तो इट मीन्स overall calories you will be reaching somewhere around 17, 18, 1900 calories only from the eggs. So I don't know how much, what are you trying to do and what is trying to do. I have no idea. I'm saying just 36x configuration. Definitely our need is higher than normal. Join the team. Definitely Milan, that's a good advice. Which way protein should I go, considering the fact that I am in the process of burning fat from my body and want to ensure that all nutrients are taken. Gaurav, you can take any whey protein. Whey protein is just a whey protein. That's your pocket, how much it allows. So you can just pick up any, the cheapest source of the whey protein which you can have it, and all nutrients which you are talking about can be fulfilled through other homemade diets, through your veggies and through your green veggies and your pulses and all that stuff. Stomach fat is overall fat. My weight is 37, Chetna. My age is 34. So that's you are underweight, Chetna. So you have to start with your exercise. Weight training थोड़ी सी करें और थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा खाएं. सत श्री अकाल सुमित. Morning Navi. Morning Namit. Losing muscle weight is a lockdown. Please guide sir. Yes, of course, Dheeraj, you are going to be losing a good amount of muscle in lockdown. So the best part to avoid is join Team Aminder and learn. Can you suggest something for better digestion for the food, please, apart from a curd or probiotic? Just Mandy, if you are running with the digestion problem, it's one of the problem when you are going to be shifting your timing of your input. So try to keep one particular time of the calories intake and a little reduce the quantity of food and try to take it in parts, so that is going to help you in digestion also. And Rohit, morning, please just some protein and supplement for gaining. Just eat more, yaar. Sumit, hello, Guruji. Okay, so morning Kashish. So we head towards the interview now before we start up, because we have just an hour to go for this thing. आपके बहुत सारी चीज़ें, हम बहुत सारे टॉपिक चुनते हैं आपके लिए सेमिनार के लिए। हमने you approach the deficit for your client transaction. Is macro ratio is a top priority? How aggressively do you approach? What is you? I don't know what you mean by aggressively. Deficit. You have to create deficit for the client transformation. You have to, till the point you are not creating the deficit, how you are going to actually create that fat loss. So deficit can be created through training little more or reducing little bit of your calories. Macros is going to be the main priority for us. We take care of the macros a lot. We will be coming up, Arun, with all that. Any sort of a customization of your exercises can't be told in an open public like this, because it is customized for the special person only. So we need to check a lot of things before we get up in this. So squat ki replacement ki setups, step ups karun ya lunges. I have a knee problem, so can't do squats. So if you have a squats and a knee problem, don't get into the lunges also. दोनों ही चीज अवॉइड करें. और नी अगर आपको इशू है, नहीं तो नी में दिक्कत आ जाएगी अगर आप लंजेस और स्टेप अप्स करते हैं. तो इट्स जस्ट अवॉइड दैट. व्हेन यू गेट लिंक फॉर सेमिनार का लिंक 2-4 दिन में आएगा. आई एम मेकिंग माई पीपीटी. सो जैसे पीपीटी खत्म होगी देन आई विल डू. आई एम इन अ लो कार्ब बट स्टिल कैलोरी सरप्लस. व्हाट हैपेंस टू द बॉडी? ऑफ कोर्स इफ यू आर इन लो कार्ब and you are still in surplus, Mahen, so of course that you will put on body weight. So it has nothing to do with a carbs or a fat or a protein. If you are in surplus, you will gain weight. Simple. What do you mean by how much? Alok Chawla, deficit depends upon person to person, and every person has his own deficit. Hurt my right shoulder during exercises, what to do, and can't see the doctor. I can't see without checking what has happened to you. I can't check all the things. Show me the reports through my DM and I'll guide you a little bit on that thing. Any person who has some issues with any sort of a joint or something, just give me a मेरे को DM भेजिए अपने लिए problems and we will take care. You don't need to join the gym for join the team for that thing. We will take care of your problems. Loose skin, stomach area, Tejas, just increase the calories input so that you have a good muscle mass before you start up the bruising. Okay, thank you, Neetu. And now we head toward just, can I approach, morning Abhishek, can I approach, can you just say hi when Venkat so that I can take you on a live and we start with the interview. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस ये तो ये खत्म नहीं होंगे, चलते रहेंगे. आपका इंटरव्यू है और आपका डे है. So can we get Venkat, can you just say hi so that I can connect you? Venkat, just can you say hi? Morning, morning. Morning, Sunny. You all are awesome. And Sumit, hi. And that's not how you calculate it, Sumit, Nagpal. That's different thing. This is altogether a different thing. No EMI. EMI you can take it if you have a credit card. You can pay through the credit card facility. सारों को बता दूं कि हमने credit card facility शुरू कर दी है और debit card facility शुरू कर दी है. You can take the benefit of that also. Many questions from him. So we're getting with Venkat. Dialing him and he'll be coming up in a while. I think maybe the net connections might be a little weak. Venkat, I am doing well. I am always getting injury when I work out, either ankle sprain or elbow. It means that you are not doing it correctly. Morning, Venkat. कैसा है?
Sir, going well, very well, good.
Awesome. So, congratulations, Venkat, on achieving your goal and finally coming on live with us, which is, of course, one of the सबका एक ड्रीम गोल होता है कि वो टीम उमेंदर के पेज के ऊपर लाइव आए और इसीलिए शुरू किया जाता है. और फाइनली यू हैव अपीयर्ड ऑन द लाइव इंटरव्यू टू टेल अबाउट योरसेल्फ. कैसा लग रहा है, वेंकट?
Very happy, sir. I'm remembering my day. Actually, I thought when I joined and I saw the pictures in your page, actually, I was thinking when I'm going to be live, when I'm going to saw my pictures in your Insta page, and I'll that day I'm again remembering.
Awesome. That's so nice. That's fantastic. वेंकट अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा बताओ. अगर हिंदी बोल सकते हो तो हिंदी में बोलो, अदरवाइज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. बट अपने बारे में बताओ, अपना नाम, कहाँ से हो, और टीम को कैसे पता चला, टीम के बारे में, और कैसे ज्वाइन किया फिर. यस, गो हेड.
Uh, First of all, I'll use both Hindi and English. I'll little bit.
Yes, yes. Anything that
Okay.
is comfortable. Anything that is comfortable.
Uh, First of all, morning to you, sir.
Morning.
Morning to my mentor Angad sir, and morning to all mentors and all the team Tigers. I'm very very happy today, and my name is Venkatesh, and I'm from Telangana state, and I'm residing in Mahabubnagar. I think you might heard about Hyderabad. It is far 100 kilometers from Hyderabad. Sir, I think you came Hyderabad also.
Yes, yes, yes.
So from there, 100 kilometers distance, my place actually. So I'm residing there. So I'm a completed postgraduate student. Presently, I'm looking over my father business. So it was a tiffin center actually. So we are in a food section. So I'm looking over that business. So that's all myself. And
So how did you come to know about Team Aminder, and what made you join us?
uh, Team Aminder, actually, I was browsing one day actually, sir. So in YouTube, I got through your interview. You are giving interview in a local TV channel. Uh, so I think that was your initial time. I think so. I got known,
Yeah,
and from there,
that's the, that was
uh,
my first interview with Lok Sabha channel.
yeah, sir. That Lok Sabha channel, I saw that interview, and from there I browsed your name in Google. From there, I got known that Insta and all. From Insta page, I got through total details, what are the process and how the things you are doing. And from there, I got shocked actually. First of all, by seeing all the collection of pictures, I'll scroll it down, and I was shocked. This many transformations done by, and I was shocked actually. So like that, I got known, and immediately I taken the Jasprit number, and I contact, and I got information and how to join and what are the things that need to be done.
So
Finally, uh,
how much experience you had before joining us about exercises?
sir, actually, it was when I'm in eighth and tenth, I think so. I had a little quarrel with my friend who is sitting beside me. Unnecessarily, he started fighting, and I was very lean that time. And what I thought was I need to give punch to him when I get a chance, but I don't have that body. So from then I started a little push-ups and all from when the age of 12 and 13 years only. But I don't have any idea. I used to do only push-ups. That's it. But I don't have any idea. From then I went into intermediate stage. I don't. We are in a small village actually. We don't have any gyms around there also. So from there, 16, 17 years, I quit actually. From then, I quit. I quit for 2 years. Then, when I joined in engineering, there I started again my motivate. Again, I started to think I want to go and I want to do again. Why? Because all of a sudden I started and I quitted Nasser. I became stout actually. My weight put on like anything. Actually, when I was 62, like that. From there to I got to 95 to 97 kgs immediately.
So
So
you joined him with 97, 98,
89, sir, 89 actually.
89.
89.
Okay.
89. And what the thing happened was in the meanwhile, mm, my fiance actually, my marriage is going to be in this month only. My fiance,
Awesome. Awesome.
actual love come arranged marriage. Uh, she used to always criticize me. Actually, criticize in the sense she used to have a fun at me actually by seeing my. It's a girlfriend boyfriend fun will be there, na? Like that. She used to always fun on me. You're stout man. Always you'll be like this. There will be no changes in you like that. that push came me actually. So I need to show, definitely I need to transform. This is the time I need to be a consistent. So in that process, I got known your online. I mean team anime there.
So when you
So
joined the team, what did you feel the difference?
sir, before joining them, I have an experience of around 2 to 3 years, sir. But what that experience was, just going to gym, coming home, browsing some gurus, online gurus like that. I'm browsing and I'm getting known that it is not a game that can be done by a normal person. What I thought was why, because that time I got known that there will be some things that need to be injected in the body, then only the body will be built. So I was in that state actually. Then after coming, knowing the things about team, I mean, their natural body can be done, natural way we can make it happen. So I was shocked and immediately I started join on May 2009. I joined, sir. Actually, my started. So my previous experience was 2 years, but it is what I think was it's not an experience, sir. It's just a common guy just going a gym and doing and coming back. That's it. It's
So
not a
what did you
proper.
learn after joining?
Sir, I learned a lot, sir. I learned a lot. What I can say, uh, what I got known was discipline must be there. Without discipline, you can't achieve.
Yes.
Actually, I'm a person. I used to eat a lot of time, lot of junk food, fast food like that. So I got known that with a discipline only you can achieve the goal. So first of all, I learned a discipline, and after that, after the screening test done, and on the day of screening test, some exercise was given, I think so I thought that these are the simple exercises I can do, so I did and posted. After
Hmm.
posting that, I got a review that whatever the exercises all done was totally wrong. I was shocked. These are the exercises I was doing so many years, how it will be. But there I got known that till I am zero, I don't know anything. But coming 1 or 2 months after joining, 1 or 2 months, 2 to 3 months, I was perfect in my posture. And from there, I got some connection with my mind, with the muscle, what I am doing. So there I got known this is the thing all people are missing. All people are missing. So I got known this is the thing everyone has to follow. Posture should be very important. So and the timing of the meal you need to take, and you should not skip the meal. Why? Because sometimes I used to take long gaps between meal to meal. So that time I used to feel some gas problems like that. So Angad sir told me that you should be have a perfect timing for the meal also. So
So
that was a
how much attentive was your mentor during the journey with you?
sir, very nice person, sir. Very nice. Whenever I called him, he used to reply in a very nice manner, and he used to. Actually, what my thing was, sir. I got a plan. I got diet plan. I got workout plan. So what the thing I need to do is I need to follow. So I'm following. If I got any doubt, then only I used to call. If I want to cheat any meal that I'm going to have, so that time only I used to call. And most people uh, eventually calling and asking. So like that, ऐसा नहीं करता था मैं. कभी डाउट आया तो फोन करके पूछता था, जब का जब सर क्लियर करता था. And it was very nice experience with Angad sir. Whatever the doubt I got, whatever the time I used to call him, he immediately responds me. Even if he is not able to respond, he'll definitely call back me when he'll be free. So
So
I'm very happy.
do you think that we spend a lot of money on the some supplement or something?
No, sir, not like that. There are two options. You already given. If you want capability for having man to provide some, I mean, अभी सप्लीमेंट के वजह से आपके पास पैसे है तो it's okay. If not, means there is also an option for natural way, no, sir. It's not that much mandatory. If you are affordable, means definitely. If not, means there is a choice. Team Aminder is there.
Fantastic, fantastic. So during the
There
journey,
is,
Venkat, what was your most positive part?
sir, last 3 months of my cutting phase, I think so. It was festivals came actually. Ugadi, Dasra festivals came. That time, my family members, my family friends, and my sisters, daughters, sons, all came. They'll be eating. अभी क्या होता स्वीट्स गीट सब कुछ बैठ के खाते ना सब वो टाइम में all are eating and they are pushing me to eat also. But that day, I ski- I taken my meal, whatever the meal I'm having according to the plan, and I went to gym. I went to gym. That day I was thinking, what ordinary people will be like this only. If you want to be extraordinary, the things whatever the people will be done will be in an extraordinary way. So like that, I pushed myself and I go to gym that day also, and I make a video actually, and I got lot of comments also, and most of the friends of mine was shocked. He got crazy about this thing, and all the so that was like that. It happened for last 3 months, sir. I was very low in carb actually that time. So I pushed myself, and at the same time also you also helped me a lot, sir, by doing like this live programs and live live classes and the motivation videos which you had posted in Insta pages. I'll always go through that. If I was in a depressed state, I'll follow your page actually. That's it. That's make me positive always.
Awesome, awesome. That is so. And again, the same question which we ask from everyone. Being from a small town, doing an engineering thing, or sort of a thing, limited source of money. Do you still think a person who is from a low background or from a village and the source of income is very less, as per them also, do you think the fees which we charge to train you and give you the services are fair enough, or do we charge heavy, or do we charge less? What do you want to say?
Sir, I think so. It was less only.
Less only.
Why? Because the experience I'm having from my industry. Why? Because I sometimes I used to go to cities also. So I used to check out how the things are going on. So I checked a lot and I browsed a lot of things. So from there I got known that if you are going, if you want to join a thing, join a gym also. They're taking a lot of money, sir, without having any proper plan, without giving any proper workout plan, without giving any proper diet plan, without mentoring anything. They are charging lot of money. Comparing to that, here we are getting everything. You'll be monitoring 24 hours, and you're giving workout plan, you're giving diet plan, and if you have any health issues, health any problems, according to that you are changing the plan. If you have any food issues, according to that you are changing that. These all the things no one will do in outside, sir. Definitely. So definitely worthable, sir, and I think so you can increase charges also, I think so.
So fair enough. So Venkat has already given a permission to raise the fees, which he says that it is very less. And still, in spite of that, also we give an early bird offer at this point, and everyone who is wishing to start up the June session, do make sure that everyone start up and immediately call up 9810972683, Jaspreet, and she's going to help you out with all the things which is prevailing. So, Venkat, thank you for giving your crucial phases and time with us. Little मैं अब आपको सबको बता दूं
Thank you, sir.
कि
Pleasure of mine.
let me tell you a little bit. वेंकट ने एक्सरसाइज जो सी शुरू करी थी वो मई में शुरू करी थी, और उसकी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हमने तकरीबन जनवरी में खत्म कर दी थी, और उसके बाद स्टिल वो हमारे साथ टिके हुए हैं. और वेंकट, आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क यू, इवन आफ्टर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन खत्म होने के बावजूद भी you are still connected with the team after that also. And during this phase when the gyms are not operational और home workout हमने शुरू कर दिया है, उस home workout में in comparison to the gym, in spite that you have finished your transformation, what made you actually continue with the team when the gyms are not operational? और सारे के सारे ये बोल रहे हैं कि जिम बंद हो गया इसीलिए हम ज्वाइन नहीं करेंगे, जब जिम खुलेगा तब ज्वाइन करेंगे. In spite of that, you continued your training after transformation also, and in this home workout series you are enjoying. What is your take on that?
Generally, people are thinking right now, gym is the place which you can build a muscle. Yeah, I think so. I'll not accept this. Previously, if we go past, there are no gyms actually. Vyayama Shala is there. That time, people used to do with a body weight exercise only, body weight things only. So, what made me to continue even after even after this crucial time means I got known the lifestyle of this this bodybuilding, this body, how you can make, and how you can, why, because I saw you, sir, you already said lot of times also you started, it is not a one day process. You have to be a long term process. So in that process only, what I made to think is ये एक दिन का process नहीं, we need to continue this process, so to achieve a good body actually.
So did you find any difference between the gym and the home workout now?
Yeah, sir, definitely, sir. There is a lot of change, and I'm very happy with the home workout series. Whatever you started, I'm following. Just before I completed my chest workout actually, and I had a bath. I came. It was excellent, sir. It was excellent.
So awesome. So Venkat, what do you want to say? Do you want to say to everyone something who is out there and want to give some message to the general public? Whatever you wish to say.
See, without passion, without commitment, without hard work, and without discipline, we can't achieve the things that I got known from a team Aminder after joining, and after seeing a team Aminder, after watching Aminder sir. So, sir had an experience of around 25 years. Sir said already he started and at the age of 18. So it's already when I joined the team, I thought that after listening yours today, I did lot of mistake. I fall back actually. I'm very late. If I started a little early, definitely I'll be in your shape definitely at this time. But no problem. Team Aminder is there. I'll juda rahega. Team Aminder say definitely I'll achieve my dream body, which I want to. This is what I think. It's not a dream body I'm having right now. I need to achieve still more. I want the body like you. I want like you, the biceps and all.
Yes, definitely you will get it. That's all through the time period you get it. This is the first phase of that which you have achieved it.
So, you also posted previously, sir, day before extra, I think so. The first step is always the hardest one. When you step 1 or 2, definitely it is going to be easy and you will achieve the things very easily.
Definitely. So thank you, Venkat. Thank you,
sir. And one more thing.
Much. Yes.
Give a man a fish, then and feed for 1 day. So if you teach him for a fish, and he will feed for an entire life. So
that's what
team Aminder is like that. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. If you give a person to eat a fish, he will eat on the day when you fish it for him. But if you teach him how to fish, he can fish himself and then he can
For
enjoy
an
the fish
entire life.
whatever time, the entire life. That's what Team Mominder is. We teach, we don't train anyone, so that everyone
Yes, sir.
can train themselves. Thank you, Venkat, for joining and giving your
Thank you, sir. Thank you
special
so much,
and
sir. Thank you.
motivating everyone and giving your
And
true.
I thank to my mother, sir. Especially, I'm very
Yes.
thankful for her and my fiance also. Why? Because my fiance pushed me and motivated me, and my mother helped me all this journey by making meals and timingly, time to time.
Thank you.
And I'm
Thank
thankful
you.
to both of them.
Is your mother nearby?
Yeah, sir. She is preparing food for me. She's there. I'll call her.
सो सारों ने अगर देखा, आप सब ने देखा कि कैसे जर्नी इसने बिताई। ये जर्नी कोई आसान नहीं होती किसी के लिए भी। अगर आपको लगता है कि जर्नी खाली कुछ महीनों के लिए, ऐसा नहीं है। दिस इज अ लाइफ टाइम कमिटमेंट और आपको सबको समझना पड़ेगा ये लाइफ टाइम कमिटमेंट क्या होता है।
లేదు
इस लाइफ टाइम
మాట్లాడలేదు
कमिटमेंट को अगर नहीं कर पाएंगे तो इट इज
ఏం
नॉट
కాదు
गोइंग टू बी
నువ్వు
इजी
చెప్పు
टास्क
నేను
फॉर
చెప్తాను
एनीवन। So we'll just have to thank his mom.
సార్ అవర్ మదర్
Namash.
టంగ్ ఈస్ తెలుగు
Yeah,
తెలుగు
I
తెలుగు
will. Thank you. Namaskar ji. Namaskar. Respect doesn't have a language. Respect doesn't have a language. Thank you. Namaskar ji. Namaskar.
నమస్తే చెప్తున్నాను
नमस्ते नमस्ते
नमस्ते जी। बहुत बहुत आपका शुक्रिया कि आपने सही टाइम में इसको मील प्रोवाइड करिए और मील प्रोवाइड करके आपने इसका गोल अचीव किया। तो सारा क्रेडिट आपके लिए जाता है और आपको, आप अपना आशीर्वाद बना के रखिए। प्लीज कैन यू एलाबोरेट दैट थिंग टू हर।
ఎస్ సార్ సార్ టైం టు టైం నాకు టైంకి ఫుడ్ చేసి తయారు చేసి పెట్టి నా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ కి నా బాడీ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ చేసినందుకు థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తాను
शुक्रिया जी। बहुत बहुत अपना आशीर्वाद बना के रखें बच्चों के ऊपर और हमारे ऊपर भी, और ऐसे ही हम
ఏం
आपकी सेवा करते
చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నారు
रहें। और बहुत जल्दी आपको भी एक्सरसाइज शुरू कराएंगे, ठीक है? आपका लड़का आपको
Sure, sure.
एक्सरसाइज शुरू कराएगा।
already they started sir actually they are doing little walking in the morning along with me and
No, not walking, not walking. We will do all exercises what you are doing.
sure sir sure sir sure actually
So,
she is little nervous what she can talk she has many words to say but she can't express right now all of a sudden
what
I
if
brought her now.
she wants to say something, she can say it on her language, no problem.
Yeah.
Let her express.
Yeah.
ఏమని చెప్పాలి చెప్పు ఏం చెప్పమంటున్నా చెప్పు ఏమని చెప్పాలి
ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ అంటే నేను ఎట్లా అంటే ఫుడ్ తినేటప్పుడు యాక్చువల్లీ మై మదర్ వాజ్ షాక్డ్ యాక్చువల్లీ ద డ్రాస్టిక్ చేంజెస్ ఐ గాట్ నా సార్ షీ వాజ్ క్రైడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ వన్ డే వై యూ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ బట్ even she at the time also she used to cook me whatever the thing it was written on a diet and for that I am very thankful to her she used to ante कैसा बोले तो मेरा पैशन इसको मालूम है मैं कर रहा आपको जो कर रहा बच्चा कंपलसरी अचीव करना बोल के कर रहा इसके वास्ते मैं भी मदद करना बोल के सुबह शाम मेरे के वास्ते मदद करा सर so I'm very
That's
thankful
awesome. That's what mother is. So mother is another name to a god. So you are like a god to us only. So mother और god को एक ही नाम दिया गया है। So एक ही चीज है, अगर mother बोलो या god बोलो। So just you have to return the same thing to your mother. Take care of her and make sure that her health remains very nice throughout her journey and her immunity is very strong. Just keep your time and give your crucial time when you are at home for her now. Thank you so much for joining, Venkat. Good luck and best of luck for you, and God bless to all of you. Thank you so much.
thank you sir
So that was a fantastic interview. Hope you all of you liked. And now we get towards the crucial and a scientific part of that thing, that how much of the calories was there and how much we get through it and how much was he going through it, how much the difficulty was there for the mentor to actually make him help reach the standard. So here we are with the technical details. If anyone wishes to know the technical details, here we are with the technical details. We don't hide anything from anyone, whether it comes to the calories or workout or whatever supplement is being given. We don't hide anything from anyone. And this is here now. Can I welcome Angad on the call so that we can take details from Angad and tell you all what we have gone through. So here quickly we attach Angad with us, and so that we can finish up the session little quickly. You all are waiting for all that stuff. Hope you all have joined and enjoyed the whole interview regarding morning,
Morning,
Angad.
morning, sir.
Morning. So quickly, Angad, you have to just go through Angad everything. What calories he joined and what was the status of his कैसा status था जब उसने join किया उसके postures का उसकी connectivity का उसका nutrition का क्या था?
So definitely, जैसे वेंकटेश ने बताया, when he joined the team, he was surprised or kind of shocked कि he doesn't know anything. But he was a very quick learner, very very quick learner because क्योंकि he wanted to know कि actually what is the process of doing the transformation. So in like 3 weeks, he learned quickly everything. The new plans were given to him. Advanced exercises were also added. But एक issue starting में ये आया था. That after getting corrected in the basics, he felt that now he just needs the plans and he can move forward. So I used to मतलब मुझे बार बार उनके पीछे पड़ना पड़ता था that this process is not just about following the plans. You need to get intelligent also. So you need to be in touch with me also. You should be. तो ये message मेरा सारे members के लिए है. For all the members, you just not supposed to follow the plans blindly. Okay, you need to discuss with me. And if you think you are doing everything correctly, then just keep getting everything checked. Show your meals and show your everything, and just keep getting everything checked. So this was the case with Venkatesh also. When we started, he was consuming around when he joined the team, he was consuming 1200 1300 calories, and that too he told me he has supplements like creatine in the stock, BCAA in the stock. So he was already consuming less. So we started from 1400 calories only for him.
Where did we reach?
So when the first plan was given to him, he was like, "मेरे पास ये supplement है, can I add them?" So we told them, "No, we will not be adding these things." And when we were like elevating the calories, we went till like 1900 calories, 2000 calories. We were touching it. So after like 1 or 2 months only, he told me that his family is planning something for him, and he is about to get married. So now we had a target for him. We wanted him to achieve this target as soon as possible. Team Aminder में we always have this habit कि हम सबको advance में mentally prepare करते हैं. That is why even the beginners or even the advanced players, they all are able to get results because we tell them the one step ahead आगे क्या आने वाला है. So this was the case with Venkatesh also. I already knew that he is getting lean. He was already like 15 to 18 kilos down, 20 kilos down. So I was telling him that yes, you will get lean for some time. You will get lean, and as soon as we start elevating, you'll start growing again. But जैसे बोला उन्होंने कि उनकी मदर क्यों रो पड़ी थी and वो क्यों हुआ था, because उन लोगों को लगता है ना पतला हो रहा है तो कमजोर हो रहा है, कुछ बीमारी है, and यही सब बोल रहे थे उनको.
गाल अंदर चले गए हैं, बच्चा मेरा पतला हो गया है, शादी की उम्र है, कोई
this is the reason we couldn't go till the end. And we were always between like 1500 to we were always between 1500 to 2000 calories with Venkatesh. Because we wanted him to get results quickly. So went like below 1500 at any point of time. Whenever we saw that the calorie output was on a higher side, we took the calories up, and बहुत सारी fluctuations हुई diet में. We never cut down carbs in the diet. We never had to cut down.
How much was the total carbs throughout journey? Between what and what?
There was good amount of carbs throughout the journey. He was enjoying oats, idlis, chapatis, everything, sprouts, सब कुछ. He was enjoying everything. But he never used to ask for replacements of food because he was so passionate towards achieving his goal quickly that he used to follow the diet very nicely. And जैसे इन्होंने बोला चीट मील के लिए परमिशन, तो अगर जो परमिशन ले रहा है मतलब he is dedicated. And yes. I hardly remember that he once or twice he might have had cheated.
Awesome. That's the reason that he got transformed in 9 months with 20 kilos down, and still he was not with the best of his performance because as per us, he still wanted to shed a little bit of things for the last 3 to 4 kilos, which actually we missed. And but that's fair enough. We will be keeping for the next transformation for him. Abhi kaisa chal raha hai uska? How is he going now?
Right now he's going on excellent. Like we have started elevating the calories again. He is like 1800, 1900 calories. Even at home workout, he's eating 18, 1900 calories, which is excellent. And there was one challenge we faced in the initial phase. When he joined the team, so we always ask a lot of questions from all the team members when everyone joins. So he never mentioned anything about his history, that he is having any injury or he had any kind of pain. So after 1 month, we designed the plan as thinking in mind that he's absolutely perfect and the body don't have any issue. But after 1 or 2 months, there was a lower back pain which came, and it kept on coming again and again. We felt that it was a lower back pain, but actually it was a hip joint pain which was coming again and again, hip impingement. And we got to know about it like after 2 3 months, after 2 months. So then we were able to handle the situation. But before that, it became challenging in the initial phase. And so then he also became confident that now I am safe, and since then there is no pain. He's absolutely working normally and he's pushing himself. Now he understands very well that exercise is not about just lifting heavy and just keep on pushing. If right now, if you just look at his actions, it is just excellent, and we can clearly see that he is feeling the tension through the movement and not through going heavy. So this is the best part about his actions.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your details, Angad. Looking forward for more transformation coming up in the coming days. And
Yes,
thank you so much for joining. And keep doing your hard work, good work, and keep helping everyone achieve their goals. That's what Team Mominder is all about. Keep making everyone independent on the floor. We have a mission of 100 million, and we are going to make it. And Team Mominder, as if everyone knows, #1 team in the world. So
yes,
we
sir.
are
Number
going to
one.
do it.
Yes, sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
thank you, Angad, for joining. God bless you, and keep doing your good work.
Yeah. Thank you.
So that was an interview from both of things. Thank you so much for everyone for joining. Hope everyone liked the interview, got the information about things, how we do it, कैसे हम करते हैं, कैसे ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, किसी के साथ झूठ नहीं बोलते हैं, जैसा है जिसका वैसा ही करते हैं. We take care of the schedules and exercise plan, customizes as per the things. अगर किसी को knee problem है, किसी को lower back problem है, किसी को neck problem है, हर एक का प्लान जो सा उसका कस्टमाइजेशन के थ्रू बनता है ताकि उसको कोई इंजरी ना आए, और उसकी टेस्ट एंड प्रेफरेंस के हिसाब से उसकी न्यूट्रिशन प्लान होती है ताकि उसको कोई भी चीज में कोई भी दिक्कत ना आए ड्यूरिंग द जर्नी. We take complete details of the person when he joins up. We take a full, maybe somewhere around 45 questions we take it, एंड जिसमें हम सारी चीजें कवर करते हैं उसके बारे में, उसका लाइफस्टाइल कवर करते हैं, उसके लाइक्स डिसलाइक्स कवर करते हैं, उसकी इंजरीज कवर करते हैं, उसका स्ट्रेंथ लेवल कवर करते हैं, उसका पोस्चर्स कवर करते हैं, उसकी एवरी पर्टिकुलर थिंग अप्रोच करते हैं, और जिसके बाद हम एक कस्टमाइज्ड वर्कआउट प्लान डिजाइन करते हैं उस पर्सन के लिए, तो कि ताकि जो उसके लिए बनता है, और उसके हिसाब से फिर हम आगे चलते हैं और वो अचीव कर लेता है. याद रखिए, हर कोई अपनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन खुद करता है, उसके अंदर खुद का अपना जज्बा होता है, उसके अंदर खुद अपने ही पहुंचने की desire होती है. It is not that we created. Everyone thinks that we motivate. We don't motivate anyone. We just give them the information, the right information, and we act like a family to everyone. अगर किसी के अंदर मोटिवेशन नहीं है खुद का, उसके अंदर खुद का गोल नहीं है, तो हम भी कुछ नहीं कर पाते हैं. हम भी बहुत सारी चीजें, बहुत सारे रिफंड्स भी करते हैं जिसका जो कर नहीं पा रहा है. अगर इट मींस इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू इट योरसेल्फ, यू आर डिपेंडेंट अपॉन समवन, इट मींस यू आर नॉट पार्ट ऑफ टीम मोमिंदर. टीम मोमिंदर इज ऑल अबाउट मेकिंग यू इंडिपेंडेंट. आप खुद करना चाहोगे, अगर आपके अंदर अपना गोल नहीं है पहुंचने का, देन नो वन कैन अचीव इट. एक टॉपर जो सा क्लास में आता है ना, वो टॉपर को ना किसी की पुश की जरूरत नहीं होती, किसी की मोटिवेशन की जरूरत नहीं होती. उसका डिजायर, उसका गोल पूरा सेट होता है, और उसको खाली यही पता होता है कि ये मेरा टीचर है और इससे मेरे को इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी और मैं अपना गोल पूरा करूंगा. बट एक फेलियर के पीछे अगर आप पूरी दुनिया लेके भी पहुंच जाओगे ना, और उसको खूब सारी लग्जरीज भी दे दोगे, फिर भी वो टॉपर नहीं हो पाएगा, बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट हिज गोल. सो डोंट एक्ट अगेंस्ट द गोल. अगर आपका अपना गोल नहीं है तो डोंट ज्वाइन इट, and join it only if you have a particular systematic and particular goal about achieving whatever you wish to achieve in your fitness lifestyle. Then only join the gym. And June batch is all operational. Please make sure that everyone joins before the early bird gets off. Early bird हमारा बहुत ही स्पेशल ऑफर है जिसमें सबको मिलता है, और डोंट मेक श्योर दैट एवरीवन जॉइंस दैट थिंग. इसके बाद हम बिल्कुल फीसेस कम नहीं करते हैं, किसी भी लेवल में नहीं करते हैं. वी हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स. अगर आप अर्ली बर्ड में नहीं कर पाएंगे तो देन then it is going to be, what fees, basically the main fees is for everyone. So just take words, go to immediately call up, immediately अभी फोन अपना उठाओ और सीधा 9810972683 में जसप्रीत को कॉल कर दीजिए. कहां पे? 9810972683 में कॉल करिए और अपना जोन सी बुकिंग है जून के लिए बुक कर दिए और आगे चलिए. सत श्री अकाल सबको. सत श्री अकाल राजप्रीत जी, सनुजा जी, कैसे हैं? You are missed in the group. Please do make sure that you join because this is a crucial time for everyone. मैं आप सबको बता दूं कि आप जो एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर पा रहा है घर में और ये सोच रहा है कि मेरे को जिम खुलने के बाद ही मैं ज्वाइन करूंगा, तो आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, जिम्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू ओपन सो इजीली. इट्स गोइंग टू टेक लिटिल टाइम. एंड अगर इस प्रोसेस में अगर आपने एक्सरसाइज नहीं करी तो आपकी इम्यून लेवल बहुत नीचे चला जाएगा, आपका न्यूट्रिशन बहुत ज्यादा ऊपर गलत मलत खाई जा रहे हो और एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहे हो, जिसके कारण आपकी इम्यूनिटी लेवल बहुत नीचे चली जाएगी एंड यू विल बी वेरी मच प्रोन टू एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ एक्सटर्नल load coming up to you. And Rajpreet ji, we have to see you in the team back again with the home workout series, and we have made a very beautiful home workout series with body weight, with home accessories, with tube. जो भी चीजें आपके घर में हैं उन सब चीजों से एक्सरसाइज तैयार हो सकती है, बन सकती है. उसके लिए हम सेमिनार लेके आएंगे आपके लिए कि कैसे कैसे हम पीपीटीज के थ्रू हम आपको समझाएंगे कि कैसे कैसे हम बेसिकली उस वर्कआउट को, जो जिम का वर्कआउट है, उसको कैसे रेप्लिका कर सकते हैं और आपके न्यूट्रिशन कैसे हम हैंडल कर सकते हैं घर में और आपको कैसे मोटिवेशन में डाल सकते हैं. इन सारी चीजों के लिए बात करेंगे जब हम आएंगे अपने सेमिनार में. Thank you everyone, each and everyone for joining this interview. We will look forward for another interviews in another tomorrow. कल एक नया ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आ रहा है, बहुत ही सुंदर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है वो उसका. He is himself a trainer, mentor, working for 14 hours on the floor. गुजरात का है, बहुत ही hard working boy and very quickly is going to be part of the team also as a mentor. Thank you so much Rajpreet ji for trusting us so blindly and बहुत कल का वेट करिए, आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा सा मोटिवेशन लेके आ रहे हैं, उसका इंटरव्यू करेंगे और इंटरव्यू में आप देखेंगे कैसे एक मेंटर को जो कि 14 घंटे की ड्यूटी फ्लोर के ऊपर एज अ पर्सनल ट्रेनर करता है, उसको क्यों जरूरत पड़ी हमारे टीम में आने की और अपना ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करने के लिए और टीम में मेंटर बनने के लिए. आप जानेंगे उसी से जब हम उसका इंटरव्यू लेंगे. इसीलिए आज अलविदा लेते हैं आप सबसे. बहुत ही अच्छा आपका इंटरव्यू रहा, 1 घंटा आपने पता भी नहीं चला कहां चला गया. आप सबका थैंक यू फॉर अप्रिशिएटिंग एंड थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस एंड स्टेइंग विद अस फॉर अनदर 1 hour एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड विद एवरी वन ऑफ यू. स्टे ब्लेस्ड और घर में रहें, कहीं ना जाएं, अच्छी तरह एक्सरसाइजेस करें, खूब खाए पिए, खूब इंजॉय करें. डोंट वरी अबाउट मनी. आई नो एवरीवन इज इन द पैनिक अबाउट कि मनी नहीं आ रहा, क्या करेंगे. दिस टाइम इज टू होल्ड अप योर हेल्थ. दिस टाइम इज टू होल्ड अप योर हेल्थ, नॉट मनी. मनी फिर कमाएंगे, जब आप रहोगे तो मनी कमाओगे ना. अभी तो रहने की जरूरत करो और अपने आपकी हेल्थ को बरकरार करके रखो और सारा का सारा पैसा अपनी हेल्थ में लगा दो और वही हेल्थ आपको आपका सारा पैसा वापस करा देगी जब हम लॉकडाउन से वापस आएंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. गुड नाइट एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू. गुड बाय. सी यू गाइस.